Hello and good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. This is Holly Shields on Kalkine TV and you're watching the early trades. Today the S&P ASX 200 is lower, dropping 1.46%. And the bottom performing stocks so far in this index include Fortescue Metals, which is down 6.4%, and Mineral Resources down as well, 5.5%. The sectors today are mixed, with 9 of 11 lower, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Consumer Staples is the best performer, gaining 0.12%. Now we'll look at some of the stocks making a buzz today in the opening session. Pendal Group announced its funds under management for the June quarter sat at $111 billion. The company posted total outflows of $4.2 billion over the quarter, with market movements and distributors making up the remainder of the losses. Pendel's institutional outflows in Australia were primarily in fixed income in the neighbourhood of $1.3 billion, which included the closure of alternative duration strategy during the quarter as well. The investment manager's performance fees for the year have now been realised, generating $5.4 million in revenue. And moving on, Rio Tinto today announced its second quarter production results. The company said that Pilbara operations produced 78.6 million tonnes in the second quarter. That is 4% higher than the previous year. Meanwhile, bauxite production was 3% higher as well, and aluminium production climbed 10%, or rather slid 10% lower due to reduced capacity at the Kitimat smelter in British Columbia. This occurred following the strike, which began in July last year. And mine copper production was 9% higher than the second quarter as well of 2021. Then finally, the board of BCI Minerals today announced that the company's managing director and CEO, Alwyn Vorster, has decided to step down from his position by the end of 2022. That is after more than 6 years in the role to pursue non-executive advisory roles and personal interests. The board will commence a search process for a new CEO as a part of an orderly transition process. And as the ASX started trading in the red territory, there were a few top gainers in the opening session today. WiseTech Global being one of them, which traded 5.9% higher, and Paladin Energy as well, trading 3.3% up, with Zipco not far behind, 2.7% higher as well. Meanwhile, on the flip side, ASX stocks that were bleeding in red included Mineral Resources, which was trading around 5.5% lower, and Pendal Group, of course, saw a fall of 5.15%. And that is it for this edition of the Early Trades. Stay tuned for more on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.